So now we will continue on our recordings. So here I will talk about the dependent events. So if you remember, in our previous recording I talked about the independent events. The dependent event, as the name says, the event is affected by the previous one. Let me give you one simple example here. So as you can see, I have a 3 red marbles, and then we have 4 white marbles, and then 1 blue marble. Okay, the question may be something like this one. So select a marble. Okay, the probability that it is a blue marble. Okay, what is the probability that this selected marble, so I don't want to mention it again and again, but I should say that this one is a random. So it is a blue marble. What is the probability? So I selected 1 marble here. So you can work out and find the probability of the selecting 1 marble. But let's say that we selected 1. Okay, good. Now probability that the selected marble is red. So we repeat the experiment, yes. So as you can notice now that I selected the blue marble, so I have less choice now. So the possibility that it is red is increasing because I have 1 marble missing. So as you can see, the previous event affected the new event. So let me see, I can put it here. The previous event, affected new event, because this one is without replacement. So if I didn't replace it back, so it means that the chances that I get a red marble is increasing. So there is more chance that it is red. So that is the dependent event. Dependent event is that the previous event affects the new event. And the last option is that we have the mutually exclusive events. The mutually exclusive event says that, from the name as you can see, one event excludes the other. Let me just add it here. Okay, so, or in other words, in simple terms, you can say that both events cannot happen at the same time. Okay, this is called mutually exclusive event. So for an example is that you cannot turn left and right at the same time. You have to turn either left or right. Or you cannot get head and the tail at the same time. So if you flip a coin, it will be either head or tail. So we talk about a fair coin, yes? So that it doesn't stand vertically. So what you see from here, that these are different classifications, that event can be independent and event can be dependent, and it can be the mutually exclusive events. Okay, and then next we have the probability theorems that I will talk about in the next recording.